as it should have been if you follow the averages. This is what we're looking like at the moment. The best is about 8 or 9 in the south of the country, but you haven't got to go very far north. Leeds at 5, Aberdeen, Norwich both at 4 to find it's cold even now, and the sun hasn't really gone in. It's got cold because we've had a cold front go through us, and throughout the rest of the week we are still in this cold pool of air which pushes down through France and in towards Spain. But by the end of the week the supply gets cut off and looks like we've got a nice warm bulge coming up towards us, which makes the weekend rather interesting, particularly Sunday. This is what it could look like. 21 degrees in the London area, for example, not quite as warm further north, and the separating band being that of thunder. Now, this is not certain by any means, but it's a possible, probable scenario. Nothing like that now, though, and this is how we've looked at today. This is the radar picture. Plenty of showers. There were 4 areas to start off with, as you can see on here, but as the day went on and temperatures rose and the sun got stronger, they didn't rise that high, of course, but we had quite a few showers just about everywhere. You were lucky not to get one. Now, they are dying down slowly, and all the cloud around is associated with these showers, which means as they melt away and the wind dies down tonight, it's going to be quite cold. There'll be a few showers around the coast, I suspect, many of these sleet or snow, particularly up in Scotland. But for most of us, it's just going to be a cold night with some ice on the roads, particularly where those showers have been frequent and persistent throughout the day. Protect your bedding plants if you didn't already know. On Wednesday then, tomorrow, a similar sort of picture, but the isobar's getting tighter and this is a complication over Scotland. It should be a beautiful start though. It'll be cold, true, but there'll be some sunshine, just scattered showers around. But throughout the day, these showers in Scotland become more and more pushed together. A spell of sleet or snow for much of the Highlands is in line. That'll push slowly southwards in strong winds. Equally, as temperatures rise elsewhere in England, Wales and Northern Ireland, there'll be some pretty slow-moving and pretty hefty showers around. Sleet or thunder or hail will be around. Now, the winds on the whole will be fairly light for most of us, but for Scotland and later for Northern Ireland, a pretty near gale-force norther will be blowing, which makes temperatures, even though they look quite good, 6 to 7, feel pretty low. Moving in towards Wednesday night, another frost, and on Thursday, another day of sunshine and showers.